You see me now? Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I want to show you something super cool. We have this reflective vest with some really neat lights on it. You can see me all the way around, baby. Woo woo! I love it. This vest is super nice. You can get it in all different sizes. Comes adjustable at the waist, which is great because, well, some people have skinnier or maybe a little bit wider waist. You know, whatever. You do you, boo-boo. Anyway, you've got your little controller in here. Got your little switch. Okay, you can switch it. Nice and solid. Off. Blinky. Solid. Off. Blinky. Solid. Off. I don't know, you can sit there all day and do it if you want, really. Anyway, to get to the point, right behind here is where the batteries go, okay? One thing about this is it does not come with batteries, but AA batteries, you can find them anywhere. Go grab them out of your TV remote. You don't need to watch television anyway, right? This is great for safety. Let's say you work outside, right? It gets dark out early in the wintertime. I don't know, it's just dark out when you're working. For all I know, maybe you're working super early in the morning. I like to plow, I like to push snow, so this is gonna be great for me. I might keep it. Anyway, if you need this or any other tool or part, you can check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.